So as you can see, this is a massive profit that we are making with just little account. You see how much we made over $260 in just a single trade, which is we doubled the equity so massively. So do well to like, subscribe and comment. Follow us for more strategies like this. You can see how the strategy is running. This is so wonderful, guys. This is one of the best out there. This is one of the best. Okay, this is our trade. You can see for yourself. We are not hiding any single thing from you. We are not hiding any single thing from you. You can see for yourself. This is 100%, 100%, one of the best out there. So this strategy that I'm giving you guys is for VIP, but I'm giving you guys for free, 100% free. So give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, share with your loved ones, and so that you can help us in building our career, and we also can manage your account effectively and super cool. You can see we are on $202 now. You can see, just watch on the top there, you see for yourself. This trade is so sweet, guys. It's so sweet. Just watch it to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this. Just watch it to the end and see how wonderful we are and how sweet we've actually perfect the market itself. How sweet we've perfect the market. You can see, just watch. Also watch the equity so that you see that you can see how it's increasing. You can see we close this at $99. You can see, watch it, 99. Okay, we've closed, and this we're closing for 94, and this for so you can see the equity. You can see for yourself. You can see I was given a $200, but we doubled it into 400. You can see it's still pushing, but we don't trade when we've closed a certain trade. Okay, let me open up my calculator and let me show you guys some few calculations. So guys, welcome back to this video, to the channel per se. Give us a like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. This is something you have not seen for a while. So you see the strategy. This is the best strategy out there. It's 100% best. It's the best strategy that you can see on any social platform. First of all, this video, I'm not here to teach much, but let me show you. This is just 2 p.m. and this is our profit for the day already. You can see it. This is today. You can see the date. You can see the date here. This is first. You can see it. You can see it. This is Wednesday first. You can see, nothing to hide. Okay, and this is an unbelievable profit that we've made today. This is the account. You can see it. You can see it. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. One of a kind. One of a kind. So the reason I'm showing you this is that you can make unbelievable money. This account was a $200 account, and currently this is the profit, $882. $882. This is a trade for last week. Okay, this account was given to me 3 days ago. 3 days ago, that's when the account was given to me. Look at the withdrawal rate. You can see the profit, the withdrawal. The profit is 900 and deposit was 900 and profit is 900 and withdrawal is 800. And this is so massive. This is so massive, 100%. You can see for yourself. It's so massive. So come for account management. Let us manage your account and give you maximum profit. Maximum profit. Okay, for those who have been asking me, how do I fund? You can use agent to fund, so that withdrawal will be made easy and massive profit to be made in a day. Okay, so on this video we used some certain positions to take some few amount of money. Okay, you can see that our red here. Our blue here is more than our red. You can see this is where we have some red. This place here, this is the only red we have on this tree. It's 3, and then we covered it up with this. This is massive. You can see for yourself. You can see for yourself. You can see. So this is how our trade has been so far, using massive little positions to take massive profits. Okay, we have been converting so many accounts from $100 to so amount, from $50 to so. So the best thing you can do is come for account management, come for mentorship. Let us make massive amount of money with you, and so on. If you want the settings for this video, you can message me and I'll give you the settings for this video. But this video is one of the best. If you want to know how to enter some positions, you can also message me. Thank you guys for watching.